How do you use the LIRR for nice airport transport? Imagine stepping off your flight at John F. Kennedy International Airport and knowing you can hop straight onto a train that takes you right into Manhattan. That's exactly what using the Long Island Railroad for airport travel is all about. When you land at JFK, the first thing to do is follow signs to the AirTrain system. This light rail connects all the airport terminals to two main stations, Jamaica Station and Howard Beach Station. Most travelers prefer Jamaica Station because it offers direct access to the Long Island Railroad trains. Once you arrive at JFK, you board the AirTrain and ride for about 10 minutes to Jamaica Station. The AirTrain fare is a fixed fee of around $5, payable at the station or via the MetroCard machine. After reaching Jamaica Station, you can buy your Long Island Railroad ticket to your destination in Manhattan. Tickets are available at ticket machines or through mobile apps, making it easy to plan ahead. The fare from Jamaica Station to Penn Station in Manhattan is typically around $13.50, but it can vary slightly depending on the time of day. The trains run frequently, with departures roughly every 15 to 20 minutes during peak hours. The journey from Jamaica Station into Manhattan takes about 25 minutes, making it one of the fastest options. The trains are spacious and designed to handle luggage comfortably, so you won't have to worry about cramped spaces. During busy times, this route can be faster than buses or taxis, especially when traffic is heavy. The entire process is straightforward. Land at JFK, follow signs to the AirTrain, take the AirTrain to Jamaica Station, buy your LIRR ticket, and hop on the train into the city. It's a reliable, efficient way to start your New York City adventure without the hassle of traffic or crowded subways. Keep in mind, if you're arriving at LaGuardia Airport or Newark Liberty International Airport, the LIRR isn't directly involved. LaGuardia has bus and taxi options, while Newark is served by NJ Transit trains connecting to Penn Station. But for JFK travelers, the LIRR combined with the AirTrain offers a smooth, comfortable ride into the heart of Manhattan. So next time you land at JFK, consider this route for a quick, easy trip into the city. It's a great way to start your visit with less stress and more comfort.